So you've got a PS5, and now you want to level up your gaming privacy, reduce lag, or unlock content that's not available in your region? Let's talk about how to use NordVPN on your PlayStation 5 and why it's honestly one of the best gaming upgrades you can make in 2025. First things first, the PS5 doesn't have a built-in VPN app. You can't just download NordVPN directly to the console, but there are two solid workarounds that work perfectly, and I'll break down both. Option 1. Use a VPN-enabled router. This is the most seamless and powerful method. You set up NordVPN on your home router, and every device connected to it, including your PS5, automatically runs through the VPN tunnel. That means encrypted traffic, a changed IP address, and the ability to appear in a different country. Great for unblocking games, early access, and even better matchmaking depending on the region. NordVPN supports a wide range of routers and provides easy step-by-step guides. If your current router doesn't support VPN config, you can flash it with firmware like DDWRT or get a pre-configured model. Once it's set up, you don't need to touch anything on the PS5. It's plug and play. Option 2. Share VPN via your PC or Mac. If you don't want to mess with routers, here's another method. Install NordVPN on your computer, connect to a server, and then share that connection with your PS5 via Ethernet or Wi-Fi hotspot. On Windows, you'll go into the network settings and enable mobile hotspot, then bridge the VPN connection. It takes 5 minutes to set up, and it works just as well for online play, store access, and even streaming apps like Netflix or Crunchyroll on your console. Now the big question, why even bother with VPN on PS5? 1. DDoS protection. NordVPN hides your IP, so no one can target you with lag attacks, especially in competitive lobbies. 2. Access region-exclusive games, betas, and DLCs by appearing in other countries. 3. Avoid ISP throttling. Many providers slow down gaming traffic during peak hours. A VPN encrypts your activity so they can't tell what you're doing, like meaning smoother gameplay. And of course, you also get peace of mind knowing your traffic is encrypted, even when you're just browsing in the PS5 browser or watching streaming content. I've been using NordVPN like this for months, and it's made a real difference, especially with ping times and server matchmaking. But you gotta choose the right provider. Some VPNs just don't have the speed or stability for console gaming. NordVPN, though? It runs on Nord Links, their custom protocol built for speed. You get over 6,000 servers in 110 plus countries, unlimited bandwidth, and zero lag on fiber or 5G. And right now, you can get their best 2025 deal with up to 76% off the 2-year plan, 3 extra months free, and even a Saley ESIM with mobile data included. Perfect if you also play on Steam Deck or mobile. Use the link in the description or check the pinned comment to get the deal. And if you want to see how to set this up live, drop a comment and I'll do a step-by-step tutorial just for the channel. Thanks for watching, and may your ping stay low.